It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Bless me, auntie, so that I can be happy. I just wish that the wedding goes smoothly.
Of course it will, it will. Listen, I am blessing you with all my heart. May you and Mithai live happily together.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me go back home first, then I'll hand over Lakha to the police. How dare he?
Oh, why hasn't Mithai come home yet? What should I do? Auntie! Oh, auntie! 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 Uncle Sanatan said that Mithai has kept her bicycle at his shop and went somewhere in a car with auntie. What? What does that mean, Gulti? Where can Mithai go? That too with your auntie? Oh, Lord. Lord knows if Mithai is in any danger. Mithai's uncle is also not home. What will I do now?
Mother? Mother!
Mithai? What is the matter? Why are you decked up in this attire?
Mother? Are you alright, Mother? Mother? Auntie lied to me and took me to Kalitala to marry me. After Lakha, you know that?
What? What are you saying? Lakha the hooligan?
Oh, yes. I have locked them all inside a room. Come along with me to the police station. I have to lodge a complaint.
No.
What happened?
You aren't going anywhere. No need to lodge a complaint. We have to run from this house right now. What will happen if you lodge a complaint? Nothing will happen. All are sold to those hooligans. Police station.
Oh, Mother. What are you saying? Where should we escape and why? I have brought such good news for you today, do you know? Grandfather had taken me to the sweet competition. I have won the competition, Mother. I have won the competition. I have won some prize money too. 2 million rupees, Mother. 2 million. Aunt lied to me and took me to Kalitala to marry me off to Lakha.
Auntie, say something. Quiet. Keep quiet, Gulti. And you. What do you think that goon Lakha will spare you? Never. One of our family members is his aide. Gulti, reason with your sister Mithai. Please explain to her that we have to escape from this house at once. Don't say a word.
Mother, listen, please sit down. Sit down. Okay, tell me where shall we go? Tell me where shall we go?
Why can't we go to your grandpa's house?
Mother!
Why? Mithai, they are quite rich people. Won't they allow us to stay there?
Mother, what are you saying? Do you want us to wrap up everything from Junai? How will we stay there? How will they accommodate us, Gulti? Please reason with Mother.
Auntie! Listen, Auntie!
Hey,
Auntie,
Mother.
listen! Auntie! Sister Mithai! Sister Mithai! Auntie has entered the prayer room.
Listen, Gulti, we have to be away from this place for some time. Mother won't agree. And she is not wrong. What if Lakha harms you or my mother? What he comes here and harms uncle then? No. We can't stay here any longer, no.
All this while I did not think of going to you, Sister Aarti. I had completely forgotten. But I can't stop myself today. Please save my Mithai's life. Please save my Mithai, Sister Aarti. I'm coming. I'm coming to meet you. Please protect us, O Lord. Please take care of my Mithai.
Auntie lied to me and took me to Kalitala to marry me off to Lakha.
Let's go. We must leave now.
Yes,
Gulti,
mother.
come along.
We have to take a shortcut, Gulti. Lakha and his men must be out looking for us by now. Since we are escaping, let's do it smartly. Do you understand? Hurry up, walk fast. Hurry up, mother. Walk fast. Oh, mother. What happened? Are you in pain? Did the stomach pain relapse? Oof. I never thought this day will be so hectic.
Hey, Gulti, go and ask them if this bus is going to Kolkata or not.
Yes, yes, go.
Go.
Do you know what I'm thinking?
What?
I feel like keeping you and Nantu drowned all night in a pond filled with water hyacinth.
Boss, believe me, we had thought that Mithai is really thirsty.
Can I say something, boss?
No, don't say a word. I'm already getting very angry. I'll shoot you if I get angrier. Where did she go? She's not at the station. No train has arrived in between. She isn't at home. Where did she escape?
Boss, can I say something?
What?
Should we check the bus stop?
Bus stand. Come.
Yes, let's
Okay.
go.
Bapi, stop the bus.
Hey, stop, stop.
Hey,
Stop
stop
the
the
bus,
bus.
Stop!
Stop
Turn
the
off
bus.
the engine.
Stop, stop.
Stop the bus.
Hey, brother, what happened? What is happening?
What is happening? Listen, don't try to act smart. We will check inside the bus. Move aside.
Move, move,
Move.
move.
Go away.
Hey, brother. Brother, what happened?
We are showing a movie. Ting, 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 ting. Want to watch it? Go away.
Shh.
Hey, why did you come to Janai?
We belong to a theatre company. We came for a stage show. Many of us have left earlier. The rest of us are returning by bus. Bus? This is the theatre company that was staging shows on the field
Keep
at
quiet.
point.
Don't say a word. If you belong to theatre company, where are your props? Tell me.
On the roof of the bus. There isn't any cash. Just few costumes and few other props. Should I bring all that down? No, don't bring those down.
Quiet. Why can't you bring them down? Bring all the stuff. Come on.
Boss, please calm down. How can Mithai hide among the props? Come, let's go from here. Hey, come.
Come.
Listen, let's go.
Hey, start the bus. Come on, start. Go ahead.
Bapi, let's go.
What happened, boss? Why did you stop?
Bapi,
Yes?
I think we should have checked the roof of the bus.
Since you couldn't get married, go home and fill your stomach with sweets. That will ease your pain of failing to get married.
What?
Dad, should I give you another flatbread?
Yes.
You want one more?
Mm-hmm.
Som, will you have another flatbread?
Uh-huh.
Hey, eat properly. And Mom, what are you waiting for? You could have had dinner along with them. You should sleep a little early today. As it is, you have exerted a lot since yesterday.
Oppa, you're impossible. How can I have dinner along with my son-in-law? Shouldn't I monitor whether he's enjoying or not?
Oh my. Did you see that? Mom, you don't need to be so courteous to your son-in-law, understood? That to an old son-in-law. It would have been different if it was Rajiv, but he went back home. Oldie.
If I'm old, what does that make you? A little girl, is
What is
it?
this, Appa? How can you say that about your husband? Listen, Appa, can you go up and call Samaresh one more time? I think he might come down.
Let it be, Amresh. Samresh is upset today.
No. I have something to say. Why wouldn't Samaresh have dinner with all of us just because he is upset? How can that be acceptable? Then why should Sid be blamed? Sid loves to be by himself. Samaresh always criticizes Sid because of that. In that case, Sid shouldn't be criticized, right? Tell me, Amresh, did I say something wrong?
Let it be. Why are you talking so much at the dinner table? Now Mom will be worried about you.
Grandpa, I'm responsible for today's failure. I didn't understand the competition well.
Don't feel guilty. I told you long ago. Fusion policy will not work for the Siddheshwar Modak business.
Listen, Dad. You know there is no point in saying all this now. Samaresh won't listen to you. End of story. And so, why do you repeatedly keep blaming yourself? It's not only your fault.
Shom, you tried giving your 100%. If this wasn't a family business and you would just be an employee, then the whole picture would have been different, you see. In that case, Samaresh would have to take the entire responsibility. So don't feel disheartened. Take it easy.
This isn't done. Why is this conversation continuing at the dinner table now? A round of discussion has already happened in the evening, right? Please don't discuss this at the dinner table. Hey, Lakshmi's mom? Yes? Why did you cook such little lentils? You could have made a little more.
Sulata, please keep a bowl of lentil for Sid. He loves to eat lentil with a spoon. We can manage without it.
See, here is. Siddharth is here. Sit down, have dinner with us.
Grandpa, I've made soup in my room. I won't eat anything else. Sandy, can I borrow your dongle? The Wi-Fi isn't working upstairs. I have to send an urgent email.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Sandy, eat slowly. I will get it. I will get the dongle from your room.
Sid, how can you survive through the night just by having a bowl of soup? Won't you feel hungry?
No, Aunt. It's quite an unhealthy habit. Unnecessary fat accumulates if we eat dinner after 10. Although people in this house are fond of fried foods and sweets, clearly, no one is very health conscious in this family. Anyway,
Here you go.
thank you. I'll keep it back once my job is done.
You can give it back to me. I'll keep it back in Sandy's room. We can go to Sandy's room whenever we feel like. He doesn't have any problem with that.
His shootings probably happen amidst crowd and noise. My work isn't that easy.
Happy now? I tell you so many times, but you hardly pay any heed. Why do you do such work where you don't get the slightest respect?
Hey, Sulata. What are you doing? Tell me. Why are you interfering among cousins? You should never do this. Anyway, forget it. Does anyone want anything else?
I don't want anything else. I'm thinking that from tomorrow onwards, I'll also have soup for dinner. Brother Sid is absolutely right. I don't want to become unnecessarily fat.
Eat slowly. Drink water.
No.
Drink.
What's wrong?
Actually, auntie, today I got so many rounds of shock at the dinner table that I'm thinking I'm going to choke now.
You! Don't say anything.
By the way, Nipa, since when have you become so health conscious? Can you tell me? Is this your new style? You will post on social media. #health drive.
Will you keep quiet? Don't talk about things you don't know anything about.
Okay, forget it. Go to your rooms now. And Amresh, are you and your dear brother-in-law done eating? We are also hungry now.
Just a little more. Amresh,
Mhm.
let's go to the terrace. And yes, I have something to tell you. So please don't start chit-chatting at the dinner table, huh? We have to go back home. Please remember that. All right?
But is it necessary to go today?
I think that's a great proposal. Listen, Brotin, what I'm trying to say is listen. Even if you don't go tonight, you can get up early in the morning and leave. And
No.
why no?
Amresh,
What?
you know your younger sister very well, don't you?
I believe I know her.
Every morning, on waking up, she will take the broom in her hand and clean the entire house by herself. Only then she'll find peace, you see.
What is he saying?
Should I say more?
Yes, please go ahead. Go.
Should I?
You are going to see the same thing, right?
Crazy old woman!
I knew that he is going to see the same thing in
Stop
the end.
it.
I
What
saw
are you all
Listen,
doing?
Lakshmi's mother,
Just
clear the
stop.
table. I know my husband very well, Sulata.
Listen, what is bothering you? Are you feeling unwell?
I'm not in a good mood. Did you notice? The war of words at the dinner table these days. I really don't know. How long will I be able to keep this family together? You know what, Sushama? I wish that someone arrives at this house who is going to fill the house with happiness. Happiness is fading away from this house. It's fading away.
Come on, mother.
Yes, please. Wait, brother.
Okay.
Come, Gulti, come. Oof.
Oh.
3 tickets, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. There you are.
Sister Mithai,
Yes.
can I say something?
Hmm.
Will you stop your chatter for some time? Where are we going and how are we going?
Mother, did
Yes,
you hear that?
You're absolutely right, Gulti.
What?
Yes. Mithai just can't stop chattering once she starts.
Yes, right, Mother. It's Mithai who is always at fault, isn't she? It's Mithai who makes all the mistakes. It's fault if Mithai talks. Mother, listen to me. Let's take a taxi today. After all, Mithai has 2 million rupees in her account. I haven't told you yet how I won the competition.
Keep quiet.
Listen,
Will
listen. Taxi. Will you go to
Wait,
Raj Bihari?
Yeah, of course.
Hey, listen to me. Come aside.
What? What's
Have you
the
lost your
matter?
mind completely?
What?
A taxi ride will cost us a lot of money.
Okay, it's fine.
Hey, auntie, wait. Listen. Look at her. Didn't you hear what Mithai said? You remember Mithai owns 2 million rupees now. Keep quiet. You and Mithai are both alike. It's her habit to dream about things. At times, she forgets the difference between a dream and reality. Who would give her so much money? Tell me. And who would allow her to enter the competition?
Gulti, tell your auntie. Here you go, sir. Gulti, tell your auntie to ask about Mithai directly once we reach grandfather's place. Mithai has the habit of dreaming. Mithai can't differentiate between dream and reality. Fine. Mithai won't speak anymore about herself. Let grandfather say. Ask her to get inside the car.
Hey, auntie, let's get inside the car. Okay, all right. Wait, brother. Let me sit. How far is it, Mithai?
We have almost reached, Mother. Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired. It's quite late right now.
Come along, come. We are almost here.
How far is it?
We are almost here. Come, just here. Here. This is grandfather's house. See that? That's Monohara written over there.
Listen, Moripul. I will marry off my son to your daughter. We will become relatives. Do you agree?